Today I am going to discuss another phytohormones or natural hormones which is concerned with your syllabus, that is kinetin, or it is also known as cytokinin, and it is also known as GRT. As you know very well, these are the natural plant hormones. There are mostly five natural plant hormones have been discovered in the plant by the plant physiologist. That is the auxin, gibberellin, cytokinin, ethylene, and abscisic acid. Out of five plant hormones, three are the major hormones, that is the auxin, gibberellin, and cytokinin, which play a vital role during the growth and development of the plant. Some plant physiologists consider that if any situation due to natural incident or some other disturbed physiological events in the plant, it has been considered that if the synthesis of hormones does not take place in the plant, in this situation the growth and development of the plant directly affected. So synthesis of the hormones in the plant mostly take place in the root apex, shoot apex, as well as leaf apex, and some hormones has been discovered in the immature seed. Some hormones you may isolate it from immature seeds. So end of the day, you may say that hormones play an important and vital role in the development and proper growth in the plants. Today I will discuss with you the third prime hormones of your syllabus, that is kinetin and cytokinin. First of all, I want to discuss the discovery and chemical nature. The discovery of cytokinin is very interesting one. The discovery of kinetin, the cytokinin, is also known as kinetin. Cytokinin means the development, the cell division in the cytoplasm, which follow by transfer wall division. As a result, from one mother cells there is a production of two daughter cells. So the cytokinin play an important role in cell division. On the basis of their prime function, that is the cell division, the hormones named as kinetin or cytokinin. The discovery of kinetin is more recent as compared than that of the auxin discovery and the gibberellin and ABM and ethylene. The discovery of the cytokinin mostly take place by Miller. The credit of the discovery of the cytokinin goes to Miller et al. In 1950, who were working in Professor Spoo's lab. Professor Spoo is a famous one plant physiologist, and Miller is also a famous plant physiologist who worked on the chemical nature and the discovery of the cytokinin. he working with the growth of the tobacco pith callus in culture media, and they wanted to grow the callus of the tobacco independent. What happened during the discovery? They added various growth substances in the culture media in which the tobacco pith callus is cultured. They added various growth substances like nutrition, vitamin, etc., which is required for the proper growth and development of the tobacco callus for proper growth and development into the culture media, but failed till they noticed an old, मतलब उन्होंने क्या किया कि टमाको पिथ कैलस को जब वो एसेप्टिक कंडीशन में कल्चर मीडिया में ग्रो करना चाहते थे, उन्होंने सभी न्यूट्रिशन दिए, उन्होंने न्यूट्रिशन दिया, विटामिन दिया, सभी कल्चर मीडिया में डाले, लेकिन प्रॉपर ग्रोथ एंड डेवलपमेंट नहीं हो पाई. मतलब जो टमाको पिथ की कैलस की, व्हाट इज द कैलस? कैलस इज ए अनडिफरेंशिएटेड मास ऑफ मेरिस्मेटिक टिश्यू. And as you know very well, in plant, the cellular totipotency is the unique features of the plant. Any part of the plant produce new plant under the aseptic condition. If you grow this plant organ in culture media under aseptic condition, सब कुछ डालने के बाद भी वो कल्चर मीडिया में प्रॉपर ग्रोथ नहीं कर पाए और वो फेल हो गए. And after that they noticed an old bottle of DNA kept for several years in the lab. They added the content of the bottle to the culture media and observed that the tobacco pith callus could grow for longer period. They obtained similar result with yeast extract. उन्होंने जब वो सब कुछ कल्चर मीडिया में जब टमाको का प्लांट को कल्चर करना चाह रहे थे, तो उन्होंने सब कुछ डाला विच इज़ रिक्वायर्ड फॉर द ग्रोथ एंड डेवलपमेंट. उन्होंने विटामिन डाली, न्यूट्रिशन डाला, सब कुछ डाला, और उन्होंने ऑब्जर्व किया कि प्रॉपर ग्रोथ हो ही नहीं पाई. लेकिन बाद में उन्होंने एक ओल्ड बोतल रखी थी जिसमें डीएनए था, कुछ साल पहले की रखी हुई थी. उन्होंने वो कंटेंट, मतलब बोतल का कंटेंट जिसमें डीएनए था, उसमें कल्चर मीडिया में डाला, और अंडर दिस experiment he observed that there is a proper growth of the tobacco pith callus take place. And उन्होंने फिर on other hand they added yeast extract and result is the same. There is a proper growth and development take place in a tobacco pith callus if you wanted the yeast extract. But they did not get positive result with fresh DNA. देखिए, फ्रेश डीएनए से पॉजिटिव रिजल्ट नहीं आया. फिर उन्होंने क्या किया कि फ्रेश डीएनए डाला उसमें कल्चर मीडिया में, मतलब उसका कंटेंट डाला, लेकिन पॉजिटिव रिजल्ट नहीं आया. एंड थॉट द एक्टिव सब्सटेंस टू बी सम डिग्रेडेशन प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द डीएनए. एंड आफ्टर दिस डिस्कवरी ही ऑब्जर्व दैट द एक्टिव substance which is responsible for proper growth and development in a tobacco callus is degradation product of DNA. They isolated these substances by autoclaving, heating under pressure. autoclaving जानते हैं आप? रोटेशन autoclave तो जानते होंगे, स्ट्राइल्स करके निकाला उन्होंने. heat under pressure, the DNA which had been stored for long, it could easily be precipitated by silver salt and was soluble in 90% alcohol, indicated that possibly it was a purine compound. उन्होंने क्या किया कि जो डीएनए था जो बोतल में रखा था, पुरानी लंबे समय से रखा था, तो उन्होंने उसको ऑटोक्लेव किया, हीट अंडर प्रेशर दिया, और फिर उसको स्टोर किया, और फिर इजीली, मतलब उन्होंने क्या किया कि प्रेसिपिटेट सिल्वर साल्ट उसमें ऐड किया, और देखा कि ये तो 90% अल्कोहल में भी ये सोल्यूबल है, और उन्होंने पाया कि इट वाज ए प्यूराइन कंपाउंड. यू नो वेरी वेल व्हाट इज ए प्यूराइन. Later on, they identify it as 6-furfuryl aminopurine. It is the chemical name of the cytokinin or kinetin. Remember it, it is a competitive question. 6-furfuryl aminopurine, because of its specific effect on cytokinin, that is the cell division. It was called as kinetin due to their specific effect in cell division. This cytokinin hormones also known as kinetin. Although kinetin has profound effect in inducing cell division, still it has not been isolated from any plant. Cytokinin is not isolated nowadays till date from any part of organ, but certain substances which show kinetic like activity have in fact has isolated from variety of higher plant. Later discovery considered that the cytokinin are also present in the various plant organ of the higher plant like root, shoot, leaf and immature seed of the Gia maize. And it is considered that the maximum concentration synthesis of cytokinin take place in the root as compared than that of the shoot and leaves and other plant part. This is the discovery. These substances are collectively known as cytokinin. जितने भी चाहे वो जियाटीन है, काइनेटीन है, इनको collectively क्या कहा गया है? Cytokinin. These now sufficient evidence to show that cytokinin do occur in plant and regulate growth, and hence they are considered as natural plant growth hormones. So after the discovery, you may say that the cytokinin considered as natural plant hormones which synthesis in the various plant organ of the plant. It is also isolated from liquid endosperm of Cocos nucifera. It is a botanical name of coconut milk. Have some factor which show kinetic like activity and can stimulate growth in many plant tissue culture. If you added नारियल का पानी है ना, coconut milk in culture media, तो after adding the coconut milk in culture media, it has been reported by plant physiologists that after adding the coconut milk, there is a proper growth and development take place in callus. There is a cell division take place rapidly. The other form of cytokinin is zeatin, Z-E-A-T-I-N, zeatin, kinetin and zeatin. This is also another form of cytokinin, and it, first of all, it has been isolated in pure crystal form by Latham from immature seed of Gia maize, corn, and named as zeatin. It was identified aminopurine by Latham, and it represents the same activity, zeatin, which is isolated from the immature seed of the Gia maize, and it is represent the same activity as cytokinin. Now we will discuss with you the physiological effect of cytokinin or kinetin in plants. What is the effect of the cytokinin in plants? The main effect of cytokinin has been discovered by the plant physiologists time to time, and there is a lot research going on the activity of the cytokinin. The first prime effect of cytokinin has been reported by plant physiologists is cell division. It is very clear, as name indicated, cytokinin, it promotes the cell division in the plant. One of the most important biological effect of kinetin on plant is induced cell division in presence of sufficient amount of oxygen, indole acetic acid, especially in Tomaco pith callus carrot root tissue, soybean, cotyledons, pea callus, etc. So in presence of the sufficient amount of the indole acetic acid, if you mix the cytokinin along with the some amount of the indole acetic acid, it has been reported by plant physiologists. In such a situation, the cell division take place rapidly. The second prime effect of cytokinin reported as it help in cell enlargement. Like auxin and gibberellin, the kinetin may also induce cell enlargement. Significant cell enlargement has been observed after kinetin treatment in leaf disease cut from etiolated leaves of Phaseolus vulgaris, pumpkin cotyledons, tobacco pith culture, cortical cell of tobacco root, exotic tissue, etc. So the cytokinin also promote the cell enlargement. They increases the size and shape of the cell. And the third one, prime effect of the cytokinin has been reported as they initiate of interfascicular cambium. What is the interfascicular cambium? According to plant anatomists, there are two types of cambium present in annual ring. One is intrafascicular cambium and second is interfascicular cambium. It is a portion of cambium which present between the xylem and phloem. It is present in the vascular bundle between the xylem and phloem, and the outer portion of the cambium from the vascular bundle is known as intrafascicular cambium. So kinetin can induce formation of interfascicular cambium. This has in fact been shown by Sorokin et al. In pea stem section. And as you know very well, what is the function of vascular cambium? The main function of vascular cambium in plant, they are responsible for secondary growth. If you treated any plant with the kinetin treatment, in this situation it has been reported by plant physiologists that the production of the secondary xylem and production of secondary phloem more as compared than control condition. So it induced the interfascicular cambium, because the interfascicular cambium, your vascular cambium are meristematic in nature. They are responsible for secondary growth. They are responsible for proper growth and development in the plant. If you are treated the plant with kinetin, it has been reported that the more proper growth and development and the thickness take place in this situation in the plant. And next one is morphogenesis. What is the morphogenesis? The external development of the plant organ is known as morphogenesis. Kinetin also has ability to cause morphogenetic changes in an otherwise undifferentiated callus. For instance, the tobacco pith callus can be made to develop either bud or root by changing the concentration of kinetin and root. If you are wanted more development in a root, if you are wanted more development in a bud, you take high auxin plus low kinetin. In this concentration, root is promoted rapidly. If you take low auxin and high kinetin, in this situation bud is promoted. The effect of kinetin in stimulating or initiating the formation of bud has also been observed in leaf cutting of begonia, bryophyllum, and in some mosses, in some bryophytes. Begonia is a angiosperm plant, which represent the abnormal secondary growth. Bryophyllum is also, you know very well, it is a very familiar plant. Bryophyllum is also known as अजूबा प्लांट, है ना. तो लीफ पर ही इसका नया प्लांट आ जाता है, लीफ पर ही बड़ आती है. देखा होगा आपने ब्रायोफिल्लम को, उससे आप नया प्लांट ग्रो कर सकते हैं. तो तो आप यदि हाई ऑक्सीजन लें और लो कंसनट्रेशन लें तो रूट का प्रमोशन ज़्यादा होता है. इफ़ यू टेक द लो concentration of oxygen and high concentration of kinetin in this situation, bud is promoting. A positive effect of kinetin on regeneration of shoot from culture root segment has also been reported in Isatis tinactoria and Convolvulus arvensis. So there is a positive effect in a culture media have been reported by plant physiologists. Next one is contraction of apical dominance. Wixon and Thiemann, who worked on activity of the cytokinin in 1958, in one of their experiment found that the growth of the lateral buds of pea stem section in culture solution containing indole acetic acid was inhibited, but the growth of lateral bud could continue if indole acetic acid was not included. On other hand, the addition of kinetin along with the indole acetic acid stimulate the growth of these buds. They obtained similar result with entire shoot and concluded that the apical dominance might be under the control of balance of concentration between endogenous, the chemical which secreted within the cell is known as endogenous kinetin like substance and indole acetic acid. Thiemann considered that if you apply only indole acetic acid in the bud of pea, they concluded that the proper growth of the bud does not take place. But if you are added the kinetin along with the indole acetic acid, in this situation Thiemann observed that there is a proper growth and development of lateral bud take place. So kinetin also effect on bud dominancy. Next one is dormancy of seed. As you know very well, there are a lot of plant hormones available in market which remove the dormancy of seed, like gibberellin. The dormancy of certain light sensitive seed which germinate only in light is known as light sensitive seeds such as lettuce and tobacco can be broken by kinetic treatment in dark. Furthermore, the inhibitory effect of far red light treatment on germination of above seed is also overcome by kinetic treatment. Seed of parasitic plants such as Striga asiatica, which require the presence of their host for germination, can be induced to germinate by treating them with kinetin even in the absence of their host. It is a very interesting one example. The seed of the parasitic plant Striga asiatica, which require the presence of their host for germination. If host is not available, in this condition the seed of this plant cannot germinate. But it is observed by plant physiologists that if you give the kinetic treatment of the seed of this parasitic plant, it has been observed that in absence of host the seed may germinate. It is a very interesting one, classical example of cytokinin effect on plants. Next is delay of senescence. As you know, what is the senescence? Senescence is the aging of the plant. After a certain age, the plant organ may die. The Richmond, it is a very interesting one, the Richmond-Lang effect. कई बार ये पूछा जाता है कंपटीशन में, what is the Richmond-Lang effect? The again process of the leaves usually accompanies with loss of chlorophyll, that is the yellowing, and rapid breakdown of the protein. This is called as senescence. So you have to know what is the senescence. If there is a loss of the leaves take place in the plant, first of all, during the senescence, what happens? First of all, the leaves detach from the parent plant. After the detaching, the leaves lose their chlorophyll and due to loss of the chlorophyll content in the chlorophyll, they become yellow in color. And in this situation, after these events, what happen? There is a rapid breakdown of protein take place, and as a result, one day the cells of leaves will die, and this process which take place in the leaf is known as senescence. In 1957, Richmond and Legge showed that this senescence could be postponed to several days in detached xanthium leaves by kinetin treatment. This effect of kinetin in delaying the senescence is called as Richmond-Legge effect. So you can delay, you can postpone the senescence of the plant organ for several days if you give the kinetic treatment, and this effect of kinetin in delaying the senescence is known as Richmond-Legge effect. It is a very interesting one, experiment conducted by Richmond and Legge, and observed that the cytokinin is directly responsible for delaying the senescence in the plant. Thank you. Have a nice day. So, this is the very important cytokinin has been reported by plant physiologists in various plant organs. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.